Okay, in this one we're given that GHIJ is a square, which tells us a lot of things. There are a lot of properties of squares, and a lot of them are common sense. We know that all four sides are the same. We also know that these angles are right angles, clearly. And also we know that the diagonals are congruent. We also know the diagonals bisect each other. We also know that this right here is a 45-degree angle, and so is this, and so is this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and these are 90-degree angles. There's a lot we can tell about this. Okay, so let's just jump right in. HJ is 78. Well, if this entire thing is 78 and we have cut it in half, then we're just going to take 78 and cut it in half. Don't make it harder than it is. That means that this segment right here is 39, which makes this one also 39, which makes this one also 39, which makes this one also 39, which means we can fill in most of this already. So HK, 39. GI, not 39, it's 78, the entire thing. GK is 39. And HI, oh, now things get a little tricky. So let's shift gears a little bit here and talk about the fact that we are trying to find that right there. Well, how are we going to find it? I have an idea. I have a couple ideas, actually, and I'm debating on which idea would be better. Let's do the more obvious idea. Let's treat it like the right triangle that it is. And I was about to treat it like another right triangle. I was going to use this one instead, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But this is HI, and that's what we're looking for. We'll call it X. This is also the same length, and that's 90 degrees. And this is 78, and so we're in a Pythagorean situation immediately. So we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we're going to just simplify this right quick. So 2x squared equals 78 squared. We'll find out what 78 squared is. By the way, there's a shortcut to this. You want it? Too bad. I'm not going to tell you what it is. And we have a length of 55.15. And that goes ahead and gives me my answer. Now, I do want to do it a different way as well. And I'm going to use this triangle over here. This triangle over here. We have this that's 39 and this that's 39, but we don't know this, and we can do the exact same thing. And we have a right angle. Right angle, where'd that come from? The diagonals make right angles. That's one of the properties of rhombuses, and a square is a rhombus, so we have 39 squared plus 39 squared equals x squared, and I'll just save you the trouble. We would end up with the exact same thing, 55.15-ish. Now, here's the sort of shortcut, and years ago this used to be a lesson that people learned. If you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, then you can take, in the same situation here, 45, 45, 90 triangle, you can take the length of a leg, which in this case would be 39, in this case would be x. You can take that 39, you don't have to write all this, and you can multiply it by the square root of 2, and it will give you the hypotenuse. So this is 39 times the square root of 2. It's a beautiful thing, it works out. I'd love to show you, but that's not the point of this particular problem. But just for demonstration, see, told you so. So let's write the answer down. We'll be done. 55.15.